Okay, have you finished, Miss Rika?
Mm, yeah,
Okay, do you want to try?
okay, I will try.
Wait, let me put the timer first.
This is my speaking by own, yeah,
Yeah,
not answer question.
uh, based on this topic card, this one.
Learning story. Oh, okay.
Okay, one, two, three.
Okay. Uh, I will I will tell a story about memorable meal when I first time to try eat sushi. It was in 2013 that I ate sushi for the first time. That we know sushi made by raw fish, and because I never eat before, my boss invite me to try. So we went to a sushi restaurant in Taman Anggrek Mall. That's in group sushi. The occasion was memorable when I try sushi. Uh, my my boss so worry if I will vomit the first my first bite. Do everyone that's don't like sushi cannot eat well the sushi. So she always ask me, "Are you okay? Are you can eat the sushi with well?" And I just okay, that's enjoy. And I think I think for the first bite it's feel weird, but I can enjoy it.
Okay.
But okay, maybe I need adding some story.
Okay.
But when I try wasabi, it's very sting for me because I offer to cover the sushi with wasabi.
Oh,
But it's okay. Now I like
you
the
put too
sushi.
much of the wasabi.
Yeah, oh, too much offer.
How was it? How was the taste of it? Too much wasabi?
Mm,
Pedas ya?
yes, pedas. But it the hot it not the tongue. It's in the nose.
Oh,
The feeling wasa the feeling
the
of hot in
yeah.
the nose. It my nose,
Oh, okay.
not in the tongue.
Did it traumatize you? The wasabi traumatize you?
No, no, I like, but when I eat sushi, I feel the wasabi with a bit enough, not over.
Oh, oh, I see. Oh,
I
so
can enjoy it now.
you put a little bit and then now you like it.
Yeah.
Ah, so between any other Japanese food, is sushi your favorite?
My favorite sushi is sushi tei.
I mean,
Oh, I mean
compare
the kind, yeah, the kind.
compare to maybe ramen or maybe
The others.
mm,
Ramen I like too.
but sushi or ramen.
Mm, sushi.
I see. Um, because you like how sushi tastes.
Yeah.
Ah, Any other reason?
Sushite because there have good wasabi,
Mm-mm.
and they have a slice of ginger, red ginger
Mm-mm.
to to uh, to eat with the sushi. There's I think the other sushi restaurant usually uh, not not serve it, not deserve it.
Oh,
But for the first time I try the sliced red ginger, it's weird too. But they seiring berjalannya waktu apa ya?
over the time.
Over the time, I like the slice of red ginger. It's feel uh, warm my body
Oh, I see.
with the food that I eat.
Do you feel it makes you better? Makes your body feels better? The ginger?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
And red sliced ginger, not stinger than white ginger.
oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, that's right.
the taste better, smooth better than white ginger.
Do you know? Do you know wedang ronde?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Uh, I like the wedang ronde when I feel my body a bit unwell.
Mm.
But when I eat or halt, I I not to like very much, and maybe depend on the weather.
Mm-mm.
Like when I in Bandung, saw I saw like it wedang wedang ronde. That's my friend's recommendation is Alcateri. It's so nice, and maybe because the weather in Bandung so cold, so it's
Tastes
big
better.
competition.
Yeah.
The food and weather
Yes, of
make
course.
yeah it makes
Your body warm.
yeah my body warm, and the taste of the food level up because
Yeah.
the weather.
Do you know there's a wedang ronde in Tebet? It's called wedang ronde Gardu Jati. It's so good too.
Gardu Jati.
Iya.
I just hear it.
uh, yeah, I
I
think.
sometimes I go to Tebet area.
Mm-mm-mm.
Maybe
You should
I
try
will
it.
try Gardu Jatim ya.
Yeah, Gardu Jati.
Oh. When
Um,
the time the when the time the the
it open.
yeah that's open.
I think it's even in the afternoon, in the maybe like 12 p.m. at noon. Even at noon they open. It's because they are a store, not like a
Not
street
like
vendor. Bukan kaki
oh,
lima.
bukan wood gitu ya.
Iya, they have their
That's
own
so.
shop.
Oh, okay.
Mm-mm. Are you working around Tebet or area?
I have friends that live in Tebet area.
Oh, I
Uh,
see. So when you are in Tebet, what do you usually what restaurant or what coffee shop do you usually go to?
Tebet is usually that's a restaurant nearby Tebet station.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there's warung abnormal
Yes.
ever open there, but last time I see this not existing again. That
Oh,
I right, I think
um, they already closed in Tebet, really?
there's changes the
The
other
location?
restaurant. But
Oh,
I'm not sure the detail.
oh, because you know what? Because I live in Margonda Street in Depok. The
Mm.
Abnormal also. At first, it was so big when they opened the first store, and then they become smaller, and on top of bakso bujangan, and then now they are gone, and it becomes
Mm.
for coffee, for a,
Oh yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Maybe the challenge is this economy.
Yeah, other store are growing. Other
Mm.
store are closing right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rika.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, Mr. Raja. We are discussing. Uh,
Halo, Miss. Ya,
yeah, we are discussing a new topic describing a memorable meal.
memorable apa, Miss?
Meal.
Oh, makanan zaman dulu gitu maksudnya.
Bukan. Jadi makanan yang paling berkesan, yang eh, teringat terus gitu. Pernah makan itu, what you ate. Like maybe unique or you have a special experience eating it.
Oh, oke, Miss.
Mm-mm. And yes, if you want to try, you can start right away.
Oh, oke. Sekarang, Miss.
Yes, sure. I can start the timer. 1, 2, 3.
Oke, mikir dulu 10 detik boleh nggak,
Oh,
Miss?
alright. Sorry.
Bentar ya, Miss.
Mhm.
What you ate, what the occasion. Occasion itu apa ya, Miss? Occasion was?
Acaranya apa kok makan itu gitu?
Oh,
Ada acara apa makan itu?
oke, Miss.
Okay, you can start.
Oke, thank you for the time. Uh, uh, when I was child, I like uh, uh, white bread with cheese, chocolate, and butter, and always with a banana, Miss. So it's baked in frying pan about 10 minutes. I always eat in the morning almost every day since junior high school until senior high school. I also eh yeah, I also eat pecel apa? I also eat nasi pecel too, Miss.
Mm-mm.
This is special apa namanya? This is special food from my apa, Miss, kalau daerah asal ya, Miss?
Hometown?
Oh ya, from my hometown. Which is rice with
Vegetables.
bakwan.
Okay.
Bakwan or apa namanya? Vegetable and any others gorengan. This is a tradition in my family. Why? Because in the morning, before my parents walk, I and my brother go was were to school, and when guests arrive too. So when my cousin or my friends came to our house, we usually eat nasi pecel or apa namanya white bread after exercising. Apa namanya? Setelah olahraga gitu loh, Miss. Jadi
Ya, benar.
Ya bener ya.
Mhm.
Uh, in the past, we often exercise usually for an hour, and then after that, uh, we we always eat nasi pecel.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so all right. What happened during eating nasi pecel and
What happened nih gimana, Miss? Nggak ngerti.
maybe you enjoy it, maybe you like it at first or you didn't like it at first and then you grow to like it, bisa gitu.
Oh, okay. When when we ate when we ate nasi pecel uh, during the meal, in my opinion, it was very spicy, Miss.
Mm-hmm.
And my parents talked like that. But even though it was spicy, we continued to eat it. To eat it, Miss.
Mm.
And the price is not expensive, Miss. I think it's just only 10,000 for one portion.
Mm. Did you not used to eat spicy food that time
Used to itu berarti
dulu?
masih makan.
Dulunya nggak biasa makan pedes kah gitu?
Oh, okay. Not yet, Miss. I like to eat spicy food until now.
Ah,
Until 13 years old.
you do not like to eat spicy food until now?
I like spicy food until now, Miss.
Oh, oh, I see. Since when
But
did you
not,
start liking?
but not very spicy, ya, Miss. A
Okay.
little. Since I'm not forget, Miss. But I think it's around 15 or 16 years old, Miss.
Around high school.
Around high school, yeah, Miss.
What was your first spicy food that you like?
Can you repeat again, Miss? Sorry.
What was your first spicy food that you like?
Makan kesukaan gitu ya, Miss?
Makanan pas makan pedas itu makan apa? Pas pertama kali suka.
Oh, for the first time, I
Mm-mm.
was I was ate spicy fried rice, Miss.
Oh, I see. Have you tried the red fried rice from Sulawesi?
Not yet, Miss.
Oh, not
I'm
yet.
sorry. Ya, but I want apa namanya? Sangat pengen sekali
I
tuh
want to
ini.
try. I
I want to
really
try
want to
it
try.
very much, Miss.
Yeah. Yeah,
People
yeah.
talk, people said it was very spicy, ya, Miss. Fried rice from Sulawesi.
Yeah, but it's not from the chili. The red is not from chili. I forgot what caused
Oh,
the red, but it's not chili.
so from what, Miss? Tomato or
Wait, I forgot. Nasi goreng merah.
tomato or I think
Hmm,
tomato, ya, Miss. No.
no, it's some vegetables, but I forgot what it's called.
Oh,
Oh, tomato ya? Is it tomato
yeah,
really?
tomato ya. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Okay, Miss.
Miss Rika, do you want to ask?
Maybe not, Miss.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Now let's do generating ideas. Do you agree or disagree with the opinion below? share your view ya. Fast food should have health warnings like cigarettes. Do you agree or disagree, Miss Rika?
I quite agree, Miss,
Mm-mm.
because fast food is mm, many use
Um, Vinegar.
yes, vinegar or preservative,
Mm-mm.
uh,
Which is unhealthy.
unhealthy and synthetic, made by synthetic food.
Mm-mm.
It's not health to our body.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that I heard or I read by the article,
Mm-mm.
Facebook can uh, can uh, to take risk for the cancer
Mm-hmm.
and the other disease that uh, that's caused by synthetic food like fast food containing.
Mm. So like when cigarettes, it it has a warning with pictures, right? Someone has a hole on the throat, and then someone else is hospitalized because of cigarettes. So in this context, should fast food have health warnings like that, like cigarettes?
Hmm. The campaigns like cigarette,
Mm-hmm.
it's not good.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
I think that necessary warning like cigarettes because fast food for the long time period is not good for our health, and I think the community that's uh, need to consider is our health of ministry with the people in the country, and what should written on the world warning is about um, the the ingredient that's not not supportive good for our body. How can how can
Okay.
the health warning work?
It's okay. You don't have to answer all of it. What do you think, Mr. Raja? Do you think fast food should have world health warnings like cigarettes?
Okay, Miss.
Mm-mm.
Thank you for asking. Uh, apa ya? From my point of view, I don't think it's necessary, Miss.
Mm-hmm.
I think fast food is food. People buy it because it's delicious, or
Mm-hmm.
maybe it's probably more cheaper.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, it's very fast. And can you imagine sometimes people doesn't take a long time
Mm-hmm.
because there is one service that it call apa namanya drive thru,
Uh-huh.
like McDonald, Kentucky Fried Chicken,
Yeah.
or any others restaurant.
Okay.
uh, I think I think they are concerned. I think they are concerned because people consider in their unhealthy means
Mm-hmm.
unhealthy. I think warnings should be included
Okay.
in advertisement, apa namanya, iklan-iklan gitu lah, Miss. Advertisement.
In the fast food advertisement?
Oh ya, in their fast food advertisements, such as on TV or social media, TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. or other advertising, or other any advertising.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. How about like the graphic? Do you think it is necessary?
Grafik itu yang mana ya, Miss?
Like I just mentioned in the cigarettes, there's people that has hole on the throat. So maybe for this, uh, the graphic should be like obesity, people who are obese, or um, you have diabetes. Maybe if you eat too much fast food. Jadi ada
Oh,
gambar-gambar orang uh, yang sakit gara-gara terlalu banyak makan fast foodnya itu gitu.
oh, okay. Uh, in my, I concern, uh, health of people doesn't just come from food that they eat, Miss, because it comes from lifestyle, I think.
Mm-hmm.
If you rarely exercise, ya Miss ya, jarang olahraga, rarely exercise ya.
Ya, ya benar.
If you rarely exercise and eat apa, makan sembarangan tuh apa sih, carelessly ya?
Iya,
Oh ya, if you rarely exercise and eat
carelessly.
carelessly in any other place, ya you got it. You unhealthy, not just when you are when you are young, but still until you grow old.
Eh, jadi tidak hanya untuk anak muda gitu ya maksudnya.
Iya, Miss, betul.
Even if gimana sih maksudnya?
Jadi maksudnya itu dari bahasa Indonesia.
Gak apa
Jadi
apa.
maksudnya itu nggak murni dari just what you eat, Miss, tapi dari apa namanya, dari daily activity, kayak kalau over eating, jarang olahraga, not exercise in your every single day, ya kamu nggak akan sehat sampai tua gitu loh, Miss. Until you,
Oh,
gitu. Jadi nggak hanya fast food, apa namanya, salah satu faktornya
one
gitu.
of the okay, fast
One
food.
of
So
the
okay.
factor. Iya.
So fast food is not the only factor that can cause
But
health issue.
exercise, your apa namanya, gaya hidup,
Your
lifestyle.
lifestyle. It
Ya,
can cause disease until you are old gitu maksudnya ya.
ya, I think if you eat apa namanya, fast food once a week, but you once a week or once a month, but you drink beer or wine or cigarette, you use cigarette or apa, minuman keras tuh apa sih, Miss, bahasa Inggris?
Alcoholic beverages,
Alcoholic, iya. Or I'm sorry, narkoba bisa ya?
drugs.
Drugs, ya, something like that, sama aja nggak sih, kayak
Okay.
my
Yeah.
opinion, Miss.
Yeah. It's all of those factors that can cause the health issue ya. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay, so now let's discuss the questions. In here, ini tadi udah ya. Ini udah dijawab dari tadi. Where should the health warnings be placed? Jadi kalau misal ada health warningsnya, ditaruh di mana? Kan di iklan, tapi berarti pas di TV gitu, terus di mana lagi?
In their products, Miss, in their own products.
Okay. Yeah, so it means in the packaging, right?
In the packaging, yeah.
Okay. Miss Rika, what do you think? Is there anywhere else should the health warning be placed?
Maybe in the hospital or what healthy area like puskesmas.
Oh, okay.
Health day center.
Oh, but alright. You shouldn't eat fast food gitu ya, warningnya. Too
Yeah, like
much.
a
You
monster.
shouldn't, yeah, not too much. So when should they be introduced? Immediately or in stages? Kalau misalnya ada health warning itu, apakah langsung ditampilkan aja atau bertahap maksudnya?
think I think langsung ditampilkan Miss. Just show it in 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 products.
Oke. Why?
Um, for the example, Miss, like cigarette,
Mm-mm.
you know that the cigarette there is a picture that people kehilangan apa namanya ada bolong di leher
Iya. Mm-mm.
itu atau merah-merah gitu mukanya.
Mm-mm.
Nah, apa namanya? Uh, uh, menurut saya according to me it delivers efek jerah itu apa sih Miss? Deterrent effect ya?
Oh. eh
I think this has a efek apa sih? Efek jerah gitu loh. Jadi
Permanen. Permanen apa ya?
different deterrent effect ya.
Oh ya udah,
Efek.
oke. Deterrent effect. Oke.
Jadi ketika orang beli itu, oh nanti leher aku bolong gitu.
But what in reality do people still buy the cigarettes?
Iya.
Yeah, right? They're not afraid of it.
Uh, ya tapi ya Miss.
Mm-mm.
But I think not nggak ada instan.
I see.
Jadi ketika apa namanya one policy is implementation in apa namanya in public, ya we still need process gitu.
So in stages, you are
Iya Miss.
implying that. Okay. I guess. So how can the health warning work? Yeah, in stages, right? Mm. What should be written on the health warnings? Apa yang harus ditulis di health warningsnya? Like in the cigarette, smoking kills you, gitu kan? What about fast food?
Maybe danger of consuming ya Miss. Danger of consuming.
Yeah,
Mengkonsumsi.
danger of too much consuming.
Danger too much consuming ya.
Yeah, it can cause heart failure, obesity, etc. Who decide what is written? Jadi siapa yang harusnya memutuskan tulisan di health warning itu?
Of course the government.
Ini ya, Kementerian Kesehatan ya,
Ministry. Yeah.
Ministry
Iya,
of
Ministry of
Health.
Health.
Ministry
Because
of
just
Health.
the government that apa namanya Miss yang bisa memutuskan
Aware.
decided the policy.
Okay. Do you think is there any other institution that can also do that, or only Ministry of Health?
In my opinion, this is not this is not apa namanya one ministry Miss, but it's a collaboration in apa namanya antar kementerian itu apa sih? In others ministry ya Miss.
Yes.
Such as Ministry of Health, Ministry of Law, I think, or apa namanya apa non apa sih NGO ya Miss, non government apa sih NGO Miss, non government ya,
non-profit organization,
and I think Ministry apa namanya BPOM,
yeah,
BPOM or Ministry of Industry, because it's about the fabric the fabric I think maybe.
What about the fast food producer?
dessert.
It will be opposite because the their profitability will decrease because
Yeah, they will
the
have
campaign.
a lower marketing, lower sales.
Yeah,
Yes, okay, but maybe they should make a healthy fast food restaurant.
back to back to your choice.
Yeah.
Love yourself or not.
Okay.
Like cigarette thing, right?
Yeah, like cigarettes, of course. Okay, I think this is the last part of the uh, speaking exercise today. Um, okay, you will work in pairs. Uh, Listen to question 1 until 3 on the recording. After each question, there will be a pause to give you time to answer, and then direct your answer to other student. Follow the advice in for this task. Student B, listen to your partner response to the question. Does he or she give full, detailed response? Now listen to question 4 until 6 on the recording. After each question, there will be a pause to give you time to answer. Direct your answer to student A. So, student E, Mr. Raja ya. So, nanti ada 3 pertanyaan dari rekaman, terus ada di pause, ada waktu untuk menjawab. Nah, jawabannya kasih ke student B, Miss Rika. And then Miss Rika dengerin jawabannya dari pertanyaan yang dari recording, apakah dia memberikan uh, respons yang full dan secara detail. And then ada pertanyaan 4 sampai 6 dari recordingnya lagi. Lalu ada pause terus dijawab ya. Jadi nanti you give feedback to each other.
Oh, ngasihnya pakai apa, Miss? Maksudnya
Ini
ngirim
enggak
jawabannya gimana?
kamu so you response with the answer. How the other student do the speaking, is he or she give full answer, is it detail or only short sentences gitu.
Oke.
Okay. Let's try the first recording. Get ready, Mr. Raja ya.
7.2. Student A. 1.
How would you define a healthy diet?
I think you should answer directly.
Aduh, itu tadi ngomong apa ya?
How would you define a healthy diet? Makanan sehat itu menurut kamu kayak gimana?
Astaga, cepet banget ya. Gila. Oh, jadi pendapat kita ya, Miss ya? Gitu ya?
Iya, dijawab.
Waduh. Bentar, Miss. Mikir dulu 10 detik ya, Miss.
Oke.
Healthy food. Gimana pendapat kamu terhadap makanan sehat? Okay, Miss. Uh, I to be honest, I don't like healthy food. In my every single day, I just consume what I want, but not but it's not mean I eat everything uh, because in my opinion healthy food is not delicious, like jamu or apa ya, vegetarian. um, yeah, I think two times for the people was consuming were who was consuming healthy food in their in their every single day, miss, because it's not easy, it's very hard when you consuming healthy food but your friends in the other side consuming junk food or any other food. That's my opinion, miss. Thank you.
Oke, next ya.
Two.
What do you think are the reasons why many people do not eat healthy food?
You have answered that, but do you want to add something more?
Oh, other reasons people don't eat healthy food. Okay. um hmm, apa ya, uh, I believe I believe in eating healthy food and try to avoid process in in my everyday diet, maybe soon. I always
Um, uh,
I'm trying to eat
the
I'm trying
reason
to eat. Oh,
it's asking,
alasannya ya.
yeah, the reason why people not eat healthy food.
I think because it's not cheaper. It's not cheap, miss. It's very expensive, like uh vegetarian food in supermarket. Apa namanya? It's very expensive. For example, timun or sawi or any other vegetables. Yeah, something like that, miss. And then I think in many people daily routine, cooking or apa namanya, prepare healthy food, it's not apa namanya, takes it was takes time, I think, not only 5 minutes or 10 minutes like junk food, but more times than that. So I think it's the reason why many people don't apa namanya, don't try this healthy food in their daily life. Thank you.
Alright, next question.
How can governments encourage people to eat more healthily?
How can government encourage people to eat more healthily?
I think the government can influence people through advertising in television or social media like X or TikTok or Instagram, uh, YouTube, or through campaigns, miss. Like for example in Car Free Day, in Sunday, every Sunday in Jakarta, in Central Jakarta, apa namanya, join collaboration with any others NGO or any others apa namanya, communities or influencer. I think it's apa namanya, menarik tuh apa ya, I
Interesting.
think I think it's yeah, it's more interesting than apa namanya, than government through the talk show or seminar in campus. it's old.
Mm.
Yeah, that's my opinion. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so thank you for your answer, Miss Rika. You can give feedback about Mr. Raja's answer.
Feedback about give the question ya.
Feedback about Mr. Raja's answer. Did Mr. Raja give a full detailed response?
Describe the answer of Mr. Raja.
Iya, jawabannya gimana menurut kamu?
Hmm, I think Mr. Raja is uh, don't like doing healthy food on the on his diet because he answer he he eats every almost every day or every single day to eat that he want, and maybe I think it's not too too wise to his health, but uh, for the response about why why the people not did didn't doing healthy food because the not simple preparation, and uh, I think it's enough detail and response
Oke.
about the question.
Oke, let's try for your question ya. I hope you are ready.
7.3. 4.
Are fast food companies responsible for making people fat?
Almost fast food almost make the people fat because so many oil or oily that's become fat, and many I think sugar or MSG MSG and sugar, and fast food usually containing mm, yes cholesterol, become cholesterol, and it's make uh, people mostly people fat because the height of calorie.
Oke, is that all?
Yes, I think in that's enough.
5.
Oke, let's.
Why do you think fast food is so popular?
Why fast food popular? Because the taste of the fast food usually better than healthy food or vegetable or vegetarian food.
Oke.
That's Mr. Raja say so.
Mhm.
And maybe fast food because with the name fast food, so the preparation or the tech ready is more fast than healthy food.
Oke.
What would happen if restaurants had to label all their meals to clearly show ingredients, calories, fat content, etc.?
The question
what happen if the fast food company have to write ingredients, content of the food, etc.
It will happen. Maybe that I mentioned before. It will be opposite because will decrease the sales or margin, and maybe it's become awareness, increase awareness of the people uh, to care about their eat,
Mm,
about what they eat. So
okay.
maybe it will contradictive with the food production fast food.
Mm. Okay, so less people will eat fast food knowing the uh,
Hmm. Ingredients and
ingredients.
content.
Yep. Okay, thank you, Miss Rika. So, Mr. Raja, can you give feedback to Miss Rika?
Yeah, thank you, Miss. My give my feedback. Apa namanya? I think the narasi of Miss Rika is very comprehensive, Miss.
Mm-mm,
Miss Rika know apa namanya? Miss Rika know her mind inside and out, Miss. Sangat paham.
mm-mm,
For instance, contohnya tadi Miss Rika apa namanya? Said that apa namanya? The implication of fast food like cholesterol and any others. Yeah,
mm-mm,
Miss.
mm-mm.
So I agree with her apa namanya with her argument. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Raja.
Mm-mm.
You are welcome, Miss.
Alright, I guess that's all our speaking practice today. Is there any more question?
I think enough, Miss. Boleh nggak ya kapan-kapan di share di grup kayak misalnya speaking gitu kalau menyampaikan pendapat kita ngomongnya apa gitu,
Hmm,
Miss. Buat kita apa namanya? Apa biar ada bahan belajar atau bisa
ini ya,
dipraktekin gitu.
ya
Iya,
kayak tips-tipsnya
sama
ya
kayak
buat
writing juga,
speaking ya.
Miss. Iya, sama kayak writing juga, Miss.
Oh ya, boleh boleh. Nanti di post ke
Eh,
WhatsApp ya.
Iya, besok juga
Yang
nggak apa-apa, Miss.
iya, yang ini belum juga kan, yang
Belum.
tugasnya itu belum ada feedbacknya
Iya,
kan.
Miss.
Ya, sabar ya.
Iya, Miss.
Oke.
Kayak speaking juga, Miss, misalnya cara mengutarakan argumen atau tidak setuju dengan orang atau setuju gitu loh, Miss.
Oh ya, oke oke, boleh boleh.
Mm-mm. Thank you, Miss.
Oke. Oke,
Thank
thank
you.
you for coming into today's session. Good night.
Yeah,
See
Miss.
you.
Nah,
Bye,
thank you.
Miss.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.